Do you know the signs of liver damage? It seems like a simple question, but the answer could be life-changing. The liver, this powerhouse organ, holds a key role in our overall health. It detoxifies harmful substances, produces energy, and helps with digestion. Basically, it's the unsung hero of our bodies, but like any hero, it's not invincible. Damage to the liver can occur, often silently and unnoticed till it's severe. Just as you'd look out for a warning light on your car dashboard, it's crucial to recognize the early signs of liver damage. They may be subtle, they may seem unrelated, but they're your body's way of sounding an alarm. The sooner you heed these signals, the better your chances for effective treatment. In this video, we're going to discuss 12 signs of liver damage that you should be aware of, so sit back, relax, and let's dive into this crucial topic together. The first sign of liver damage is jaundice. Now, you may be wondering, what is jaundice? Jaundice is a condition caused by the buildup of a substance known as bilirubin in the blood. Our liver plays a crucial role in removing this substance from our body. So when the liver is damaged, it struggles to perform this task effectively, causing bilirubin levels in our blood to rise. But what does jaundice look like? Well, the most noticeable sign is a yellowing of the skin, eyes, and mucous membranes. This yellowing is a direct result of the excess bilirubin in the bloodstream. It's not just a surface-level change, but a visual indication that something is not quite right with the liver. Remember, your body is like a well-oiled machine, and every part plays a significant role in keeping you up and running. So if you, or anyone you know, has these symptoms, it might be a sign of liver damage. Moving on to the next signs, they are abdominal changes, fluid retention, and digestive issues. Firstly, let's delve into abdominal changes. This could mean a range of things, from a feeling of fullness even after a small meal, to an uncomfortable swelling. Why does this happen? Your liver plays a key role in digestion, and when it's impaired, it might not produce enough bile to break down food. This can lead to bloating and discomfort. If you notice these changes persistently, it's time to consult a healthcare professional. Next up is fluid retention. This usually manifests as swelling in the legs and ankles, and sometimes in the abdomen too, a condition known as ascites. When your liver isn't functioning properly, it struggles to produce proteins that help keep fluid in the blood vessels. This fluid then leaks into surrounding tissues, causing swelling. If you're experiencing persistent swelling, especially along with other symptoms, it's essential to get it checked. The third sign is digestive issues. We're talking about problems like constipation, diarrhea, or irritable bowel syndrome. These issues can stem from the liver's inability to produce enough bile, which is crucial for digestion. You might also experience changes in your bowel movements, like stools that are pale, bloody, or tar-colored. Unexplained and persistent changes in your digestion are not something to ignore. It's crucial to understand that these symptoms are not exclusive to liver damage. They could be indicative of a variety of health conditions. But when you notice them occurring together, particularly if they persist, it's worth seeking medical advice. Remember, your liver is a vital organ that plays a significant role in many bodily functions, including digestion and waste removal. These signs, abdominal changes, fluid retention, and digestive issues, are common symptoms, but when they occur together, it could be a sign of liver damage. Listen to your body, and don't hesitate to seek help when something doesn't feel right. Stay tuned as we continue to uncover more signs of potential liver damage. The next signs to look out for are changes in urine and stool, itchy skin, and fatigue. Now let's dive into the details. First up, changes in urine and stool. A healthy liver processes waste products and toxins in your body. However, if your liver is damaged, it may not be able to perform this function effectively. This can result in changes in the color and consistency of your urine and stool. You might notice that your urine becomes darker, almost the color of tea, and your stool could turn pale or bloody. While these changes can be caused by a variety of factors, they could be indicative of liver damage, especially if they persist. Next, itchy skin. This might seem like a minor annoyance, but it could be a sign of something more serious. When your liver is damaged, it may not be able to filter out certain substances from your blood. These substances can then accumulate in your skin, causing it to itch. So if you find yourself constantly scratching and moisturizers or creams don't seem to help, it might be worth considering if your liver is the root cause. Lastly, fatigue. We all feel tired from time to time, but chronic fatigue can be a sign of liver damage. The liver plays a crucial role in energy production. If it's underperforming, you may feel constantly tired, no matter how much rest you get. This isn't just a case of needing an extra cup of coffee in the morning. It's a deep, persistent exhaustion that can seriously affect your quality of life. Remember, these symptoms are not just signs of being tired or stressed. They could mean your liver is suffering. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, especially if they persist, it's important to seek medical advice. Early detection and treatment can significantly improve the prognosis for liver damage. So, don't ignore these signs. Your liver is a vital organ, and taking care of it should be a top priority. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and most importantly, stay healthy. The next 3 signs include loss of appetite, nausea, and easy bruising. Let's dive right into the first one, loss of appetite. This one's a bit tricky because it's a common symptom for many health issues, not just liver damage. But here's the thing, your liver plays a crucial role in your digestive system. It processes nutrients from the food you eat, so when it's not functioning properly, you might not feel like eating. It's your body's way of trying to protect itself from further damage. Next up, we have nausea. Now, this is a direct result of the loss of appetite we just discussed. When your liver is struggling, it can't effectively break down food and toxins. This can cause a buildup of toxins in your bloodstream, leading to feelings of nausea and even vomiting. It's another way your body is telling you something's not quite right inside. And lastly, let's talk about easy bruising. You might be wondering, what does my liver have to do with bruising? Well, your liver is responsible for producing proteins needed for blood clotting. When it's damaged, it can't make enough of these proteins. This means your blood can't clot as easily, leading to more frequent and noticeable bruises. You see, these signs might seem unrelated, but they all point to potential liver damage. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, it's crucial to seek medical advice. Remember, early detection can make all the difference when it comes to treating liver damage. But also remember that these are just potential signs. They don't necessarily mean your liver is in danger. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional for a comprehensive understanding of your health. These signs might seem unrelated, but they all point to potential liver damage. The last 2 signs we're discussing are dark spots on the skin and mental confusion. Dark spots, often called liver spots, can appear due to a buildup of waste products the liver is unable to filter out. They usually manifest as small, flat, dark areas, typically on hands, face, or other areas frequently exposed to the sun. On the other hand, mental confusion or difficulty thinking clearly can be a result of hepatic encephalopathy, a condition caused by liver failure where toxins build up in the bloodstream and affect brain function. Symptoms can range from mild confusion and forgetfulness to severe disorientation and slurred speech. Both of these signs are a clear indication that the liver is struggling to perform its detoxification role. It's crucial to seek medical attention if you notice these symptoms, as timely intervention can prevent further damage. Though these symptoms might seem unrelated to the liver, they can indicate a serious liver condition. To recap, we've discussed 12 signs of liver damage today. We started with jaundice, a yellowing of the skin and eyes, followed by abdominal changes, fluid retention, and digestive issues. Our journey continued into the realm of changes in urine and stool, the discomfort of itchy skin, and that persistent feeling of fatigue. We also covered the worrying signs of loss of appetite and nausea, along with the surprising revelation of easy bruising. Lastly, we examined the presence of dark spots on the skin and the alarming symptom of mental confusion. These signs, when noticed, should never be ignored. Early detection is paramount, as it could make the difference between a manageable condition and a life-threatening situation. Always seek medical advice when you notice any of these signs. Remember, your health is your wealth, and awareness is the first step to maintaining it.